Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door closure in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 5/16" nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, some tape, and silicone grease. This part number is TJ17-132. If you don't have it, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door closure. The refrigerator door closure is mounted on the bottom hinge of the refrigerator door on the right-hand side. It pushes the door closed when it's a few inches away from the cabinet. It also prevents the door from swinging back when it's completely opened. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it wears out or cracks, causing the door not to close completely, allowing warm air inside. Get to the right side French door's top hinge. Secure the door to the cabinet at the top with some tape, and then using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the mounting screw in the center of the hinge cover and remove the cover. Using the 5/16" nut driver, take out the 3 screws that hold the top hinge and remove the hinge. Peel off the tape from the door. Alright, now we're going to open the door and lift it off the bottom hinge. We need to examine the condition of the bottom cam. If it's worn out completely, then we need to replace the door. If it's in a good shape, like in our case, we are at luck and we can proceed with replacement of the door closure. Use the flat blade screwdriver to pry it off. As you can see, this door closure is worn out on the edges. This is the old door closure next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the new door closure on the hinge pin, matching the plastic tab with the opening in the hinge. Put some silicone grease on it. And now install the door on the closure. It's kind of tricky. Match the holes, careful with your fingers, and close the door. Secure it with a tape. Install the top hinge, matching the openings with 2 pins, and secure the hinge with the 3 5/16" screws. Place the hinge cover on and secure it with 1 Phillips screw in the center. Now you can remove the tape. And now we're going to open and close the door to test how the new door closure works. See, it holds. And now it closes. We're done. Plug the refrigerator in and stop buying horrible fast food. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.